keep the mindset centered. Hey, hey, let's go. We're not here to gamble, we're here to trade. We follow the plan, that's how we get paid. Testing, trading, have success. Find what works for you and forget the rest. Stats and probabilities is what we're about. Time to dismiss greed and doubt. Focus on the process, not the money. And the profits will flow like honey. Power Hour Live, let's start the show. Come on, trade hackers, get ready to go. 0-day options, time to make bank. Get locked and loaded, then be ready to plank. Hey!
Hey everyone, welcome to Power Hour Live, Friday, July 18th. Hope everybody's having a good day. S&P currently down 7, NASDAQ down 33, Russell down 15, Dow down 206. Gold and silver are both up a little bit less than 0.5%. 10-year yield down 0.7, oil is pretty flat, natural gas up about 1.3. Soybeans, wheat, and corn all finished green. Euro and the pound green. Bitcoin down 1.3%. VIX up 0.42, currently at 16.59. As far as my trades today, my BICs are doing well. So here are some of them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tranches. I've had 2 one-sided stops, so currently up about 2,600. And then I did a couple of morning tranches, but I was at my son's baseball game, so I fired those manually via Trade Steward. And so those, let's see, I've got 2 tranches here. One's up 1,500, one's up 230, so that's another $1,800 on top of the 26. So if we don't go crazy here, could be a good BIC day. Let me bring this back over. So I did 3 almost today, 2 hit profit target, 1 got stopped out, so tiny red, down $300. I'm also in my 1 DTE. It's up 37% with a 45% profit target, so that still could possibly hit. And then day trading, I am a little red. Let me pull that up. Day trading, I'm down about 760. I've got a long in Amazon currently that I'm monitoring. I posted the Goldman Sachs exit. It was in danger of getting assigned if it settled between the long and the short strike that were closest to the money. So I just closed out those 2 strikes. So I'm out of that one. And then Netflix is far enough away that I'm not too worried about it. It's way up here, way down here. So it would have to get above 1310 to be in danger. So I'm going to just let that one expire. And I'm doing my Friday multi-tranche flies. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those on right now. And they're up a little bit. And then I also did 2 put calendars, 6, 7 put calendars. One's a little bit green, one's a little bit red. Looks like tiny green between the 2. So I'll close those out by the end of the day. So that is it for me. Chad, how is your day?
Yeah, pretty light day of trading. 1 TLC booked 20% and then got stopped. Down move. I did some Elmos this morning. I closed them out early. They were all profitable. Looked like 820 total on Elmos this morning. And did a TLC here this afternoon. A little experiment. Went wider. Took less credit, like $4.40. And it's currently up 75%. I haven't taken anything off of it yet. Although if we keep pushing up, I might probably take. It's trading at $1 right now. Trading at $1.50. So above 6,300 is the short strike. So extremely profitable trade there, but it looks like we might be heading upwards.
No Wugas for you?
Oh yeah, then I have one Wuga that is currently up 31%. No, 23%. This push up is hurting it. So I need this to stop going up for my Wuga. I only did one Wuga. I didn't let the other one fire because it would have been the same strikes.
Gotcha.
So as long as we don't just rip to the upside here, it'll be one of my nicer green days in a while. Much needed.
Yeah, I would enjoy a nice, calm close myself. I would take a rip out of Amazon, though. You know, something I've been noticing on these 6-7 put calendars is, man, it really seems like if you get a push down on Friday, it just, the profits just don't come in. I mean, they just seem to really print when price is kind of stable to higher. But when you get it down, I've just noticed over and over, when you get a down move, they just do not print like they do on the former. Which to me means, you know, I put it on at the open, so of course I don't know that ahead of time, but like today I added one after the move down. And so that'll be something that I'm not going to do anymore, because I've just seen over and over they just kind of sit there with not a lot of profit. I mean, this one's pretty much break even. The second one that I put on, still right at the money. Oh, sorry guys, let me turn off my volume. That was my toss. There's another multi-tranche going in. Let's see, is Schiss on here? No, it doesn't look like it. Anybody else who trades calendars, have you all noticed kind of similar to what I was? Oh, Schiss, you are on here. Have you noticed similar to what I was talking about? After a down move, they just don't profit like they normally do. I haven't done any back testing around that, which I want to, but it sure seems that way. S&P moving up, NASDAQ moving up. Yeah, try to pay attention to that, Schiss. I think, I don't know, maybe it's just kind of anecdotal, maybe not anything to it, but I sure feel like there's something to it. If you get a spike of volatility on Friday or a decent down move, they just tend to stop giving up the goods. It's those days when you kind of grind sideways to higher with not too much downside or not too much volatility spikes that we really see those big profits come in, where they're hitting, 30-40% profit in the same day. Man, Amazon could not punch through again. It's that 226 level in Amazon is just, it's been banging its head against that. I don't know how many times since before noon today. It just got rejected again. So for next week, Monday, small CB leading index, 30 minutes after the market opens, whatever that is. This index is designed to predict the direction of the economy, but it tends to have a muted impact because most of the indicators used in this calculation are released previously. Change in the level of a composite index based on 10 economic indicators. Okay? So nothing, Monday, basically. Tuesday, Jay Powell speaks an hour before the market opens. Richmond Manufacturing Index, 30 minutes after the market opens, shown as medium impact. Existing home sales on Wednesday, also medium impact, 30 minutes after the market opens. Thursday, unemployment claims and flash manufacturing services PMI, 15 minutes after the market opens. New home sales, 30 minutes after. And then Friday, durable goods, pre-market. And I'm not sure who all has earnings next week. I haven't checked, but I assume some big tech will be starting. Tesla is 723, so that'll be next week. Just doing a little spot check here. Haven't seen the list yet. Amazon 731, so that's the week after. Goog 723, so that's next week. Meta 730, so that's the week after. Apple 731, that's the week after. So we got a few next week and then some more the following week. Bitcoin has been kind of weak all day, starting to bounce a little bit. I think Trump is still on the mic. I was watching it before I jumped on here, but he was doing kind of a ceremonial signing of the stablecoin bill. Not sure if he's still speaking or if there's going to be reporter questions or anything. Didn't look
He's
like
done. He signed it, and well, they took him off, so he looked like he signed it and he's done.
Okay, good. Good.
No
Enjoy
question.
the weekend, Trumpy. MSTR starting to bounce, similar to Bitcoin. Hood's up 3%, but well off of its highs. It hit a new all-time high of 113.44. It's currently at 108 and change. I think Coin hit a new all-time high as well. I'll close my 6-7 put calendars. We got 30 minutes. I should probably just close them. 6/7s are closed. Whoa, little big drop in Microsoft just now.
It's up 44% already.
Not sure if something just came out about Microsoft. Yep, I'm in the, I don't know if Jake, if maybe joined a little bit late, but I was showing earlier. I can do it again. Here are my multi-tranche flies. I'm in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 with 1 to go. So doing 10 tranches. Looking pretty green so far, but obviously that can change quickly. So my last tranche should be firing right now. And there it is, right on cue.
I just need price to stay between 62.80 and 6,300. Or max winner.
Yeah, so here's my conglomerate of fly tranches. So yeah, between 90 and 95 would be max profit here. Break evens are at about 86. Call it 86 to 99. All right, sounds like everybody 90 to 95 would be beautiful.
What my Wooga is.
Microsoft is still falling. So, and then not next week, but the week after, we've got FOMC that week. We've got JOLTS that week. We've got FOMC. We've got Core PCE on a Thursday for some reason. And NFP on Friday. So not next week, but the week after. Lots of scheduled economic events. Amazon ticking up to 26 again. See if it can pop through. Goldman, I thought earlier was going to give us a little, it was making a little run, and then some of that downside came out, some news, Trump tweet or something. I thought it was going to try to make a push to get us green, but fizzled out. And Netflix never gave us a chance. $26 rejecting again. Just can't get through it. Looks like Amazon has earnings on the 31st. All-time high is 242. It's currently at 226-ish. S&P still between that 90 and 95, currently around 92. MOC in 10 minutes. guys still see my screen? Not sure what happened there. You guys see my screen? Hear me okay? I just had to
now.
Just had to restart. Not sure what happened there.
Awuga should be hitting profit target any second.
Yep, discount messed this up. Discount, your DDB's price still looking good, right? Slow burn, or just, yeah, between 90 and 95 would be perfect. Russell's been chopping near lows. S&P and NASDAQ are a little bit more off their lows of the day. Yeah, one contract, all tranches. So I think I'm in for about, it usually ends up being between 10 and 15,000 of buying power. Check the, you can check the back test and it'll show the margin requirement for each tranche. And then you'll see they're 25 wide flies. So just, it kind of varies a little bit, but. Now each tranche is 1,000 to 1,500. Amazon taking another shot. Let's go. Push it. Like the first tranches I do are closer to 1,000, and the last ones I do are closer to 1,500. As the premium gets lower. So today, for example, Total with 10 tranches is a little over 18K.
Who gives a shit profit target?
MOC in 3 minutes. Need to get out of this Amazon trade. It's going to be a tiny loser. All right, so all SPX now. Today the max that's going to vary too, depending on which strikes, how many different strikes it takes, you know, how much movement you get to. But like today, max profit is 4,330. All right, almost 1 minute till MOC. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my audio so you all can hear it. Multi-tranches are right smack dab in the middle.
1 minute to go now to begin the market on close. Imbalance data.
This is like old school. I need to drop down and do some planks for the last 10 minutes here.
Ten seconds. Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 to the buy side 1.5 billion. Nasdaq 100 buy side 956 million. Dow 30 buy side 600 million. And Mag 7 buy side 461 million.
That chime you heard during the announcement was my 1 DTE closing, I think. Hit profit target. Boom. All right. I wasn't even paying attention because I heard my 1 DTE close. So 1.5 billion buy side. SPX currently just under, or right at 95. I would prefer we stay between 90 and 95. Haven't hit a 45% 1 DTE in a while. That's nice. Part of that is because sometimes I'll transform them, but Chip away, Sonia. It'll happen. Have a good weekend.
Build on the 95s at 230 for Mahomes.
Nice, Watson. Way to come back. Watson, it's your birthday? Happy birthday, my friend. Got to be green on your birthday. SPX still near 95. Pushing up a little bit above it.
Yep, I'm on the 95s from Mahomes.
You got filled?
Filled at 230.
All right, let's get back down closer to 90 then. Not 6,300, please.
It's really like between 90 and 95 for a long time.
I got some 95 calls on my BICs also that I don't want to get hit. So yeah, 90 pin would be amazing.
Amazon popping.
Did you say Amazon?
Yeah.
Oh, sure did. Right after I got out. Finally broke through that 226. Nvidia's bouncing. All right, calm down, everyone. Calm back down. MSTR's dropping hard. Back down to 95. Got 5 minutes to go. Creeping up to 97. It's been pushing up a little bit here the last 15 minutes. Creeping up towards 98.
98. Right around 98's break even on Mahomes.
3 minutes to go. Back down to 97. 95.
That's the valley. Get out of there. Anywhere but there. Come on down to 90.
Come on down. The price is right at 90.
Had some big numbers last 2 days and not much movement at the end of after it.
Less than 2 minutes to go. Currently at 96. Back to 95.
To the dead center of the valley. Do something. You need below 92 if it's going to go down. Break even.
I'll take 92.
Not looking good. It's like that 95 for a long time today.
Back to 96. Less than a minute.
Let's go. Do something here.
Four seconds.
Oh, back
Order cancelled.
Mark up. Mark down.
Order cancelled. Order
Looks
cancelled.
like the final's going to be
Order
about
cancelled.
62.96.76.
Order cancelled. Order
Which will
cancelled.
still
Minus
be a
$240
Order
loser.
cancelled.
about a
Order
$2,600 winner on the multi-tranchers.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
5K day on BIX.
Order cancelled.
All right, all.
Order
That is a
cancelled.
wrap.
Order
Everybody have a good
cancelled.
weekend. Rest
Order
up.
cancelled.
Get ready for Monday.
Order cancelled.
Take care. Have a good weekend. Cheers, everyone.
Order cancelled.